Hello guys, in this video we will see escape from Tarkov Backend Error, how to solve it. Now we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection content. The most common cause of a backend error in escape from Tarkov is an unstable or interrupted internet connection. Begin by ensuring your internet is functioning correctly. Check your router for any issues. Restart your modem and router and run a speed test to verify sufficient bandwidth and low ping. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider connecting via Ethernet cable. For a more stable connection, investigate any potential network congestion within your home network or from your internet service provider.
Step: verify escape from Tarkov server status. Content: confirm that the escape from Tarkov servers are online and functioning correctly. Check the official Escape from Tarkov website, social media pages, or dedicated community forums for any announcements regarding server outages, maintenance, or known issues. A backend error can often be caused by problems on Backend games, and checking the server status will quickly eliminate this possibility. Step: restart your game and content. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches and software conflicts that might be contributing to the error. Completely close the Escape from Tarkov client, then restart your computer. This process clears temporary files and allows the game to launch with a clean slate. After restarting, your attempt to launch Escape from Tarkov again to see if the error persists.
Step: update your game and drivers. Content outdated game files or graphics drivers can lead to compatibility issues and errors. Ensure that you have the latest version of Escape from Tarkov installed. Check the game launcher for updates and download and install them. Additionally, update your graphics card drivers to the latest version available from your manufacturer's website. NVIDIA and or Intel outdated drivers can often create unexpected conflicts and errors within the game.
Step: contact Backend Games support. Content: if none of the previous steps resolve the backend error, contact Backend Games support directly. Provide detailed information regarding the error, including screenshots, if possible, your operating system, game version, and any other relevant details. Their support team may be able to provide further assistance or identify a more specific underlying issue causing the problem.